Alright guys, check this out. Found some school buses. They look to be pretty old. You can see we're pretty far in the middle of nowhere, as usual. And I have no idea how they got these school buses out here. These are definitely old school. Old school buses. They still have their gauges and stuff. Oh, look at that. Some people written down there. Let's get some dates, but 2000. David Baker was here. 2000. 2007. There's a little bird's nest right there. Let's see here. 2013. This one still has still turns. There's the old steering wheel. That's who it was made by. And watch your step. Railing. Look at that. I wonder how many kids use that to get in the bus. I think the engine's gone. Way out here. I wonder what the story is behind that. Let me get out of this. Get a shot of this. Anybody knows what year these buses are? What year do you think this bus would have been? Alright, we got a long way out of here.